Hey guys, what's up everyone? Siddhant here. So guys, in this video, I will be showing you how you can download the old versions of Instagram that fully work in 2021. So let's begin. So to download the old Instagram version, you will be needed the app called Zip Signer. So the download link will be provided in the description for zip signer. So first of all, I will show you that I have downloaded the zip signer from the Google. So you can see that I have downloaded the zip signer and the old version of the Instagram. So first of all, you have to install the zip signer. So I've already installed it, that's why I'm not installing it again. So guys, if you have the latest version of the Instagram, so please kindly delete it before installing the older version of Instagram, because if you have the latest version of Instagram, so the old version of Instagram will not be downloaded, or precisely it will not be installed. So I'm showing you that I've downloaded the older version of Instagram and I do not have the latest version. So after downloading the old version, you have to open the zip signer app. So after opening the app, you have to choose the directory where you have installed the old version of the Instagram. Please kindly select the app, and after selecting the app, you have to click on sign the file. So this process will take hardly few seconds. Like in my process, it took around 10 to 12 seconds. So guys, the process is done. So after signing the app, you have to go to your file manager and you have to go to the downloads or the folder where you have downloaded the app. So you will see a app called signed apk. So you have to click on that and you have to install that app. Yes, so the app has been installed now. So you have to open the app, and now I will show you that this trick works. So after opening the app, you can see the layout of the Instagram. So it is the old layout. Then you have to log in into your account. Yes guys, so now the login process is done, and now I am into my Instagram account. So guys, please follow me on Instagram. So my handle is underscore Siddhant Desai. So guys, please follow me on Instagram, and also like, share and subscribe this video. Subscribe to my channel, not to the video. Yes guys, so this trick works. You can see there are lots of videos on YouTube that the videos are fake. They do not teach you or they do not show you how you can use the old versions of Instagram, but this video is legit. That's what I can promise to you. Thank you guys for watching this video.